All about Kunjan. Those about on your screen here. We come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Buffet, naniyaza ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shepa fethu kunjani igama remingthini mfokaswela mswati lomnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yebo baba.
Utababa.
Yeah. On today's episode, Buffet, we are looking at Mamelodi Sundowns. They are playing on Monday. Playing in Orbit.
Yeah, they're playing Orbit.
Yeah. Buffet, this video is powered by 22bet. I load 12. That one is not important. I'm talking about important things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bet responsibly. Betting is not for under 18s. You use our promo code
Fusion 22.
100% bonus. How's that?
Yeah.
Let's get into today's episode.
Yebo baba.
Yeah. Now Mamelodi Sundowns. They want to sleep on top. Namhlanje.
Yebo.
As we speak.
And bazolala khona.
Oh, okay. That was fast. That was quick. Okay. Ayikho into zomavimba.
Nah, yangibona.
Yeah. Okay. Asiqale ekuqaleni.
Yeah.
Now Mamelodi Sundowns have made some signings. In fact, let's start from ama games abo previous the last 5 games. You tell me what where do they think, given the signings that they have made, they need to improve?
Yeah.
Season how.
Hey, Mamelodi Sundowns, you know, ngihlela ngisho even previous videos ukuthi le season le it's not the Mamelodi Sundowns that we know.
Yeah.
They've dropped performer wabo is something else engekho convincing ukuthi ama defending champion they want to win the league. Based on a new coach yabo vele, I don't think he's been able to kuhlanganisa proper combinations and all that. But obviously with good Guahamba, Ubani, or Ribeiro, they've never been the same team. But taking nothing away from the players now, they still show with their Sundowns quality players, you know.
Yeah.
So masibuka lama game labasuka kona bawadlalile. Last year I think they lost one player 5 abayidlalile okugcina. 2 golden arrows, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then their last game they played it through 1-1 up against Siwelele, whereby Mkwena got a red card and all that. So umabuka lama game law, they lost a game that we thought they could easily win. And then they threw against Wayne, I think, one of those games, Badlane Pirates 1-1 Nakon. And then they won the other 2. So if you look, if they are able to drop points in the Matima Mangani, that's not the Sundown Esiazi. With the small team Sundown, they always win. But if they are found in a situation whereby the Matima Mangani they are playing a matro, for me they don't convince them. They wanted more this season. But today they are playing in Orbit. And obviously they want to rectify Amapota, Shole Bawaboni like my previous games. So today I see them giving it all. And playing Orbit, you have nothing much to lose. So they could try even more combinations of match. Obviously they don't have Yomkwena today. So I see them trying to build from there. Orbit and Ibone both.
No, I hear you. And
I know
no. Let's get into this thing.
Yeah.
I wanted to comment on those 2 games. Yeah, we know the Pirates game they were supposed to lose that game. Let me be honest.
They were not in the
they were not in the game. But they struggled in these 2 games. The Arrows were top of them.
Yeah.
The last one, Siwelele, they were struggling. They did come with the changes that they made in the second half to actually get a point because they were trailing behind with 1-0.
Yeah.
So they managed to level the score. The point is they are not playing fluidly as we fluently. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's the right word. So that on its own should tell you what they will come back, want to rectify all those mistakes.
Yes.
And we cannot take them lightly. Anyway, they've won this thing 8 times.
Yeah.
So why not? Finally, with this part of the series and expect more from them. Yeah. Another thing Ubuyile Mshishi. What's your say? What's your say?
No,
You know,
no.
given the fact that you just mentioned Ipatia Repero.
Yeah.
Remember they were playing the same position.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think you can tell. If you're speaking about the last, you spoke about the Korean Arrows game, and then you spoke about ESC with the struggling, not fluent, and they don't have the return of Mishishi. I feel like it's gonna make them be able to get fluent more,
Yeah.
And we know the experience that Mishishi comes with, you can't take it away. So I see them becoming a better team or becoming maybe the Santam that we know.
Yeah.
You know.
True. In fact, I'm just remembering now. Umshishi did play that game. He
Yes.
came in, and that's when they managed to level the score.
Yeah.
Came into that game, just made things easy.
Yeah.
For them.
So a fully recovered and fit Mshishi has kusazoba mnandi.
Yeah, kusazoba mnandi. That's what we want. We want the competition. We want that rivalry. You know, Ibe mnandi PSL. It's already in Africa. Yeah, you argue with your dad. I'm there.
So for me, for Obit, I don't see them giving a problem with Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, obvious they will come and play because they have to honor the fixture. But I don't see them winning.
I think when you say you have to honor the fixture, it's not the right word to use, honestly, because they are also a team. I think they do show up in some good games. I remember the game that they played against Orlando Pirates. They actually gave Pirates a lot of problems.
Yeah.
They just didn't have the solution to actually hurt Pirates.
Uguti Velo, Uguti has with Lamatima Mangan when playing these big teams. They are already motivated, so they will try to do whatever. But obviously, with the lack of experience in playing on teams like Mamelodi Sundowns and experience, then they get punished. This type of thing.
Another thing is the fact that Usaleng has switched the side.
Yes.
He's now will be playing for you. Yes. And we're expecting him to start that game.
Correct. Anyway. So it's gonna be an interesting game to watch today. Yeah.
Yeah, Buffett, we'll see you on another one.